IBB man, this is most of my camera gear. Per cord, I got a regular mount with rubber. I got an extra, I got two 3M mounts. It came with two stickers, 64. Let's try to get this SD card out real fast. This one's 32 and I have their gigabyte. There's the regular sticky thing. And then I have this base mount and another screw top. Okay, let's go ahead and put all this back in here. I can either store my GoPro in this case or that case. Then all my equipment when I go to Plymouth. Well, I got this new Nalgene locking carabiner. I think that's gonna be probably charging cable. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in there. In action camera accessory kit, other action cameras. I got a Chef, another different kind of mount. This is an old mount that I've had, that screw mount for the so we're gonna stick those in there. This kit also came with this lanyard that I can hook to this my camera up where it's filming. And that's, oh, and finally, just so I have instant power everywhere I go for the go. That'll be it. Sorry for my finger. A US Express bag. So that'll be it. Thank you for joining. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Peace out.